Hello everyone, this is Alex from TriLabs and today I have Tanya Ghosh who will be sharing her interview experience of Exaware. Hello Tanya, can you just briefly introduce yourself?
Okay, hi everyone. I am Tanya and I recently graduated from CV Raman Global University and
Mm-hmm.
I'm an electronics and telecommunication graduate. Right
Okay,
now, I'll be joining Hexaware Technologies as a PGET, Premier Graduate Engineering Trainee
okay,
from July itself.
okay,
So, yeah,
okay. So,
and I am
yeah.
from Jamshedpur.
Okay, you are from Jamshedpur too. Okay, so the next question what I want to ask you is, can you just tell whether the opportunity which you got was an on-campus or an off-campus opportunity?
The opportunity, Hexaware Technologies actually hires off campus,
Okay.
but it was a global hiring.
Mm-hmm.
So I think every region it was hiring from. So,
Okay.
like it,
I got the point. Like at one place, Xavier was coming, and all the colleges were coming at that place only.
yeah.
Global
So and
hiring.
right now
Mm-hmm.
we were like last year because of the lockdown, there
Mm-hmm.
was an online hiring.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess pretty much every college was allowed to.
Okay. Yeah. Lockdown is there, so basically it was an online process. So okay. So I want you to briefly tell me what all rounds were there in the hiring process, including the interview round. So just briefly describe everything.
Okay. So Hexaware was hiring from for two
Packages, you mean?
packages. Oh yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
Hexaware was hiring for two packages,
Mm-hmm.
GET and PGET. Like normally, I don't think for my college it didn't directly come for PGET.
Mm-hmm.
I got an offer after the GET
Okay.
for improving my offer. So the GET, I will
Okay.
tell you. First,
Mm-hmm.
there was an online examination, and
Okay.
it was about for 2 hours. There
Mm-hmm.
were like about 10 to 13 sessions.
Okay.
Okay. There
Okay.
was a quantitative aptitude, verbal,
Mm-hmm.
logical reasoning. There was pseudo code. There were
Okay.
MCQs on C, basic C programming,
Mm-hmm.
data structures.
Mm-hmm.
There were also questions, MCQs on digital electronics,
Okay.
transistors,
Okay.
op amps, etc.
Mm-hmm.
And there were some electrical questions as well.
Mm-hmm.
There were like, I guess, 13 sections, and there was no negative marking.
Okay. So since you were from electronics background, so I guess that's why those questions were there, or where the or
Uh,
was it that this question was there for CS branch students also?
yeah, this question was there for CS branches, I guess. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So same questions for everyone.
Yeah, because they were like mix of like the CS background. They had lots of questions on data structures and
Mm-hmm.
algorithms.
Mm-hmm.
So on C, C++. So I
Okay.
guess there was a mixture of questions for circuit branches also.
Okay. I got it. So what was the next round? Like once you clear this round, what happens after that?
Once I cleared this round, I got a mail for the technical interview.
Mm-hmm.
It was for it lasted for I guess an half an hour,
Mm-hmm.
and the interviewer was really a nice person. He asked me like basic stuff from introduce yourself to just clear out the environment and all.
Mm-hmm.
He just asked where are you from, and then he started asking me about my resume, and I had
Mm-hmm.
mentioned that I was good in HTML, CSS,
Mm-hmm.
JavaScript, and
Okay.
C++. Like I was better in the CS subjects compared to like the electronic subject.
Okay.
So, and he asked me accordingly. He asked me
Okay.
question on my
Mm-hmm.
projects, what was my involvement in it,
Mm-hmm.
about HTML, CSS, C++, OOPS concept, on basic data structures like stack, queue, array.
Mm-hmm.
The
So
electronics questions, which are very common, he
okay.
asked me.
Okay. So electronic questions from electronic subjects were there.
Yeah, like what is an op amp or types of transistors, all of this, like the common
Yeah.
electronics
The
questions,
the
semiconductors.
fundamental, the very basics of
Yeah.
electronics questions. Okay. So after this interview, was there any HR interview or this was the final one?
No. After this, there were two more rounds. They
Mm-hmm.
were not elimination, but they were
Mm-hmm.
compulsory. There was a communication test,
Mm-hmm.
which you were judged on reading, writing. Like you had to. There were some paragraphs, and you have to read it out loud. or
Okay.
there was a topic and you have to just speak 1 minute on that topic.
Mm-hmm.
There was a basic communication test, and after that there was a learning agility test.
Mm-hmm.
It was a simple test, like they would just give you a situation and you would have to say that how likely do you relate to it, like 1 to 5 you have to rate one,
Mm-hmm.
5 being the most agreeable one and 1 being the most disagreeable one,
Okay.
like that. After that I had an HR round.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, I got the entire process. So, last question
Yeah.
before we end the discussion is, what advice will you give to your juniors who are preparing for Hexaware?
I think Hexaware, as I mentioned previously, it gives a lot of like mixed up question. It's a
Mm-hmm.
quite lengthy, and there is not like
Okay.
if you clear the fonts, then you move to the verbal or like that. So at a time, it is giving you 2 hours, and you're supposed to like answer everything. So it's better you prepare like that. The
Mm-hmm.
questions are not very tough.
Mm-hmm.
They're basic on time, speed, time, and distance, basics verbal
Basic
question.
questions.
So yeah, you can prepare for that accordingly. And I think students should come up with a routine also, so that they are very much prepared and not panicky for the
Mm-hmm.
last moment.
So, since you mentioned in your since you mentioned that you got PGET offer, so can you just briefly tell about the PGET, because you currently mentioned that you got GET. So, what was the transition and how did it happen?
Yeah, sure. Like after clearing the GET interview, HR interview,
Mm-hmm.
I got a mail that I was selected for GET and I was capable of appearing the PGET role.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, there was a coding examination. There were two coding questions,
Okay.
and I think it was for 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes. So
Mm-hmm.
after clearing the coding examination, there was again a communication slash behavioral round.
Okay.
And then after there were two technical round. One
Mm-hmm.
was the technical round question and interview, and other was the HR interview.
So, just
This
yeah, I got
yeah.
it. So, just what was the level of difficulty of the two coding questions?
The coding questions were not very basic, but
Mm-hmm.
they were not like very hard on data structure. They were medium level.
Okay. 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 Thank you. This was really a nice discussion, and thank you guys for watching. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.